September has become known in the tech world mainly because of Apple's annual iPhone announcements. But this year's September is set to be even more remarkable as several camera manufacturers have planned surprising announcements to mark their own presence. In this video, we'll summarize all the upcoming events that you definitely don't want to miss. It looks like we'll be getting 4 new iPhones this year, which is similar to the 2022 lineup. This includes a standard iPhone 15 and a larger Plus model, as well as a more advanced iPhone 15 Pro and its larger Max counterpart. The base iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus models are expected to feature a brand new 48-megapixel Sony image sensor, a significant improvement over the 12-megapixel main camera on the iPhone 14. This increase in megapixels will enable higher resolution photos with better detail. Here's what the triple camera setup will look like. We've discussed more about all these in this video. If you're interested, you can check it out. Panasonic Lumix has set a premiere date for a major camera announcement on its official YouTube channel. There's a strong possibility that Panasonic will unveil the Lumix G9 II here. According to sources, this will be the first Panasonic MFT camera with face detection autofocus. As PDAF will be integrated, we'd love to see featuring an exceptionally accurate follow focus mode combined with an advanced face and eye detection function. Hopefully, the G9 II will offer affordability while being a strong contender against the OM system OM1, making it an attractive option particularly for wildlife photography. Watch this video to know more. Only 3 months have passed since Fujifilm's previous X Summit event in Bangkok, Thailand. However, Fujifilm has more plans for this year. In a video released on August 14th, Yuji Igarashi, the general manager of Fujifilm's electronic imaging division, shared that the upcoming X Summit is scheduled for September 12th in Stockholm, Sweden. Following this, there'll be a Fujikina festival on September 13th, offering attendees the opportunity to try out the latest equipment, attend seminars, and participate in workshops conducted by professional photographers and videographers. Now, the main attraction will be the rumored GFX 100 successor, which will supposedly feature an impressive 102-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor. This promises to deliver unparalleled image quality and detail, making it a dream come true for those who seek the utmost in visual precision. We've covered every detail in this video, so be sure to check it out. Sony has recently released a teaser for the upcoming camera titled Burano is coming September 12, 2023. In the teaser, the Cine Alta logo is prominently featured, suggesting that this camera will be on par with the acclaimed Venice model. However, there is a lot of mystery surrounding this new camera. Burano is a small island in the northern Venetian lagoon known for its colorful houses situated 7 miles northeast of Venice. But this does not provide any clear indications of whether it's a successor or a sibling to the Venice series. Rumors suggest that this camera may have a smaller, boxy shape, which would be a first for any Sony camera. Nonetheless, this announcement is a significant news for professional filmmakers and aspiring cinematographers alike, as it has the potential to be a game changer in the industry. The latest rumors suggest that the ZF full-frame retro camera may be released around September 20, and it's expected to be priced at just US $1,999. And, as a result, we anticipate an official teaser from Nikon in the near future. We now have access to confirmed specifications and some leaked images of the Nikon ZF, revealing that Nikon has put a strong emphasis on design this time. The camera will feature a sleek black body, enhancing its retro appearance, and at the heart of the ZF, there'll be a groundbreaking 24.4 MP BSI CMOS sensor, and it'll be capable of recording in 4K at 60 FPS, ensuring that your stories are captured with exceptional levels of detail and vibrancy. To know more, check out this video. So, which event are you most excited about? Did we miss anything? Share your thoughts in the comments section down below and consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.